If you're rich as shit, who cares? Take a look at our list of 10 most expensive watches in the world.
Number 10.
Split Seconds Patek Philippe Reference 1435 by Tiffany & Co. This is a really long name, and we can only hope it lasts for just as long, because this $214,000 watch is a whole lot of fancy and with cool features that would put Inspector Gadget to shame.
Number 9.
The Rolex Submariner. Lots of people own Rolexes, some real, some fake, and some worth $234,000. Yep, you heard it right. This particular Rolex is self-winding and made of stainless steel. Misplacing this would give new pain to the term lost time.
Number 8.
Ulysses Nardin Triple Jack Minute Repeater. This watch's unusual design costs more than a Ferrari, but definitely doesn't possess as much power. It's pretty basic, but it's so rare, which makes it so exorbitantly expensive. If you like seeing 3 men hammering a bunch of bells every time you look at your wrist, well, why not pay $340,000 for it?
Number 7.
Jaeger LeCoultre Gyro Tourbillon 1. This $400,000 piece of timekeeping machinery is in essence an anti-gravity device that you can wear. It features something called tourbillons, which prevents gravity from affecting its accuracy. Like magic, but not, but almost.
Number 6.
Richard Mille Tourbillon. Some watches look like, well, watches, and others look like the love child of the Terminator and something from Alien. This $525,000 slice of the future is so advanced, you can't tell which parts tell the time and which ones are the door to a mystical abyss.
Number 5.
AP Royal Oak Grande Complication. With a retail price of $742,900, you could just buy a couple houses. Or you can go with this dazzling watch that comes with these unique features: a minute repeater, split seconds chronograph, and perpetual calendar. Yeah, that's totally worth it, because it's not your average watch that you can buy on the street corner. It's for those shot callers that got no time to waste.
Number 4.
Patek Philippe Ref 5016P. This platinum masterpiece costs a beastly $762,000 and requires regular adjustments. But if you have the money to buy it, that clearly shouldn't be a problem. It's a moon phase perpetual calendar piece of art that we don't even think Bill Gates would buy. He can afford it, but you probably wouldn't buy it.
Number 3.
Vacheron Tour de Lille. Vacheron happens to be the oldest manufacturer of watches in the world and is the owner of the most complicated serial wristwatch ever created. It's worth a whopping $1,250,000, almost as much as a Bugatti, except a lot smaller and a lot more easier to misplace.
Number 2.
The Patek Calibre 89. When did you last buy a watch? What did you pay for it? Was it close to $5,120,000? This one-of-a-kind piece is the most complicated watch in the world, with 33 complications. At the end of the day, you just want to know the time, but would you pay $5 million for that? Well, apparently, some fancy people do.
Number 1.
The Breguet Marie Antoinette. This watch is estimated to be worth $30 million. It was stolen by master thief Naaman Diller in 1983 and found in 2007, 3 years after Naaman passed away of old age. It took Breguet and Marie Antoinette 44 years to construct the original, but both of them passed away before its completion. And there you have it, our list of 10 most expensive watches in the world. Have we forgotten to mention any? If you know of any more high-priced timepieces, please mention them in the comment section below.